Welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter, I'm a professional drifter. We are currently here at my workshop and we are rebuilding our cars for the upcoming season. Last year we had a lot of technical issues with the car and we decided to build them completely new, and this is what we're gonna show you guys today. So as you can tell from our As you can tell from the name of our YouTube channel, we are a team of drifters. We are currently 3 drivers, and this is my little baby, and this is what we're gonna show you today. So behind me is my buddy and my mechanic Flo. He will be seen in every video probably. So Flo?
Yes?
Come here.
Okay.
This is my little beauty, friend and mechanic. So he was the one who built pretty much all of it, and he is also part of he's also gonna show you around today and explaining a little bit what he did on the car. So behind me is my car. It's a BMW E36, bone stock obviously. No, I'm just kidding. We did a lot of upgrades this year, and I'm running an LS3 engine with 6.2 liters, currently doing about 550 horsepower. Pretty much the whole car is drift spec. The original chassis of the car isn't stiff enough, so we decided to upgrade all the metal sheets inside the car and also upgrade it to a stiffer roll cage. First off for safety reasons, but also for the whole stability of the car. The cooling system is gonna be on the back, because first off, when you crash you have a major issue in the front with the cooling system, and also we tried to balance the weight from the car. So we cut out everything possible to make the car lighter, even the roof. The body kit of the car is gonna be... Was ist mit euch beiden eigentlich los? As I said before, we tried to reduce as much weight as possible. This is why we cut out the roof and as many parts as possible. We try to go under 1,100 kilograms. Let's find out if this is gonna work. So now we're gonna show you the car in detail, and my mechanic Flo?
Yeah.
We're gonna show you the car in detail now, and we put a lot of love into this car, so we're gonna show you in detail now. So we put a lot of love into this car, and we're gonna show you in detail now. We're gonna show you now why, and in detail why. We're gonna put a lot of love into. We put a lot of time, effort, and love into this car, and this is what we're gonna show you now. The radiator was moved to the rear and mounted lower to bring the center of the gravity way down. In the back, we lowered the crash bar and removed the fuel tank further forward to improve the weight distribution. On top of that, we installed the winter's differential, cut the floor where needed, and reinforced the whole area properly. So yeah, pretty much everything on this car is built around stiffness, balance, and performance. This is everything we did in the back, so come with me and I show you what's inside the car. We did a lot of work here as well. In the driver's footwell we installed a tilt and pedal box. That meant welding in new mounting points, and because of the new setup we had to raise the footwell a bit. We also modified the steering rack to work with the new pedal position and geometry. On the transmission tunnel we added proper mounting points for the fly-off handbrake and the shifter. And since we changed the steering rack, we had to build and install a custom-made mount for the steering rack. This is the front of the car. We also did a lot of adjustments here. Unfortunately, last season we had a lot of problems with cracks in the strut towers. This is why we decided to reinforce them. Now we are underneath the car where most of the magic happened. We also seam welded the body seams on the underside of the car to add even more stiffness. The lower control arm mounting points, the so-called lollipops, were reinforced as well. And on the floor we welded in the FIA specified mounting points, so the harness are mounted properly and safely. Basically everything underneath the car is now built to handle real motorsports loads. At the rear of the car, on the underside, we welded in reinforcement plates for the rear axle mounting points. We also added reinforcement plates to the chassis for the control arms and the trailing arms, so everything back there is properly strengthened. Basically the whole rear end is now built to take a lot more load. So this is it, guys, from the technical part at least. I'm pretty sure we forgot something, but never mind. Tomorrow the car is going to be soda blasted and gets a new paint job. You will see the result of the paint job and how the car looks like when it's fully built in the next video. So stay tuned, comment, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for joining in, guys.
Hi, I'm Markus. I'd like to breathe. I'd like to briefly introduce. I will like to show you. I will show you my. Shut the fuck up. I will like show you my drift car. Warum sage ich immer like? Hello, I'm Markus. I'm one of the part of our Black Everything Drift team, and I will show you my drift car or something. What is here? It's a BMW E36 with a M50 Turbo. Das ist gut, dass du jetzt weggehst von mir. Na, weg. Currently built and modifying the car. It's coming a new and bigger turbo. The cooling system is being relocated to the rear. A new wiring harness is being fitted and a small modification is still being done on the engine. After that the car will going on the dyno for tuning. And Florian, forget that the clutch only make 800 Newton meter. And this is shit because we make 1000. We will make 1000, but we will see.